Every time you learn a new word or run on the playground, your brain uses energy and creates tiny bits of waste. By the end of the day, your head is filled with this leftover clutter and scattered papers that need to be cleared away. We're going to see exactly how your body handles all this brain garbage in just 2 minutes. While your eyes are shut and you're resting in the dark, your brain is actually starting a very busy work shift. Sleep provides the essential cleaning time your body needs to stay healthy and think clearly the next day. So, how does your head know it is time to start the cleanup? As the sun sets outside, your brain reacts to the fading light of the day. Your body has an internal clock that keeps track of the time. This clock, your circadian rhythm, monitors how much light is around you to decide when you should be awake or asleep. This diagram shows that when the light level drops on the left, your brain starts making a sleepy chemical called melatonin. As the melatonin level goes up on the right, you start to feel very drowsy. Your brain uses the darkness of the night as a signal. It tells the tiny cleaning crew inside your head that it is finally time to get to work. The crew works fast. While you snore, these workers scrub the floors of your brain and gather up all that waste you created during the day and toss it down the disposal chute. This deep cleaning is why you wake up feeling sharp. If you've ever felt grumpy or clumsy after staying up too late, it's usually because your brain didn't have enough time to finish its chores. The night shift also has another big job: sorting through your day. The workers pick up the lessons you learned at school and organize them safely so you can find those memories tomorrow. They organize math facts and spelling words. And wait, a sleeping dinosaur? Someone must be dreaming about science class. By throwing away waste and organizing facts, sleep makes you smarter and healthier. Sleep also helps your body get bigger. While you rest, your brain releases growth hormone, which is the specific ingredient your bones and muscles need to get taller and stronger. After a few hours of cleaning and growing, your brain lights up with wild, active colors as you enter the dream state. Look at this boy in REM sleep. It stands for rapid eye movement, because your eyes actually move around under your eyelids while you dream. Your brain is very busy during this stage, so your body's muscles stay still and relaxed. This keeps you tucked safely in bed instead of accidentally acting out your dreams. Animals have their own sleep secrets too. This puppy might sleep 14 hours a day, while a giraffe only needs about 30 minutes. And dolphins actually keep half their brain awake while they sleep to watch for danger. Whether you have spots or scales, sleep provides the essential time every living thing needs to grow and process information. Time for the Junior Explorer Challenge. First question: does your brain stop working when you go to sleep? No way! It is busy cleaning and filing. Question 2. What is the dream stage called where your eyes move under your eyelids? That's right, it's REM sleep. You got it! You're officially a sleep expert. Use those smarts to hit the subscribe button and join our lab crew for more adventures. Let's recap. Sleep cleans out brain waste, organizes your memories, and helps your body grow tall and strong. However, staring at bright screens like this television right before bed can confuse your body's internal clock. The blue light from screens tricks your brain into thinking the sun is still out. This causes your brain to stop making the melatonin you need to feel sleepy. Ask an adult to help you create a melatonin zone by turning off screens an hour before bed. It's the best way to make sure your brain gets its vital cleaning time. Your brain uses sleep to stay clean and healthy. But why don't humans lay eggs? Tap right here to find out.